Hello friends, today we will solve another problem of development. Okay, for the same we have problem statement as draw the development of lateral surface of pentagonal prism having base side of 30 mm and axis height of 60 mm. Okay, so what base is given as? Base is given as pentagonal surface. Okay, and whose side is equals to 30 mm. Okay, now so very first what we need to draw? We need to draw the top view of an pentagon. So for that purpose we will draw the top view. So what we can see the top view? We will see the base which is exactly equals to 30 mm, then a line over here which is at 72 degree from here, then a line which is at 72 degree from here and whose length will be equals to 30 mm, then a line same 30 mm distance you will put in your compass. You will draw arc from here, and this will be your final point. So this is what it will be, isn't it? Now this is what is the prism's base as well as top surface, isn't it? But we need to mark its axis. So for marking its axis we need to join this corner and midpoint of the opposite length. Okay, so this is how we can mark if this is the midpoint. Then similarly this corner and midpoint, then this will be the what? Its axis, isn't it? Now we need to draw its base. So if we project this like this, its base will be of this length, isn't it? And if we draw the axis, because height is given as axis height, if we draw the axis, then axis will be like this, which will be passing to this particular point, isn't it? And then whose axis height is given as 60 mm. So this 60 mm we will mark on the axis. Okay, and this vertical line we will be drawing of 60 mm from these particular points. Then this top surface we will be drawing. Now if observer is observing from this side, he will be observing this rectangle as well as this rectangle. So this line will be visible, clearly visible for an observer. So this will be a straight line, isn't it? Now if we want to give the naming, so how we can give it? A, B, C, D and E. This is what is for the base, and that is enough. Okay, now for the dimensioning purpose we will give this dimension as 30 mm. So this is what is the dimension of 30 mm. Then this is what is the dimension of say 60 mm, which is nothing but the axis height, isn't it? This is what is the axis height. Now what we need to draw is a parallel line from here, isn't it? Then a vertical line from this particular point. This distance will be equal to this distance, isn't it? Then in your compass you can put a dimension of equals to 30 mm, put it over here, cut an arc 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Now why it is 5 time? Because this is what is pentagon, and pentagon has 5 sides, means we have marked 5 points over here, and while doing so we have marked the perimeter of an pentagon. Okay, 5 number into sides, number of sides. Okay, then this is what is the perimeter, isn't it? And this will be what? The dark line. Then from each particular point we will be drawing the dark lines, because all these are nothing but the edges where we are going to bend this particular sheet, isn't it? So This is what will be the development of an pentagonal prism. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much.